Right, still on geometric sequences, let's do example 4. Given that t1 is equal to x plus 1, t2 is equal to x minus 1, and t3 is equal to x for a geometric sequence, determine x and hence the sequence. Right, for a geometric sequence, we know that t2 divided by t1 is equal to t3 divided by t2, t4 divided by t3, like that. So now we have our t2, our t1, our t3, and our t2 there. So t2 is x minus 1 over t1, which is x plus 1, is equal to t3, which is x, and then over t2, which is x minus 1. We have created an equation that we can solve here. Okay, so what we do, we can cross multiply here. So x minus 1 times x minus 1, x minus 1 times x minus 1. Okay, cross multiplying there. And then is equal to x times x plus 1. Okay, then this is x minus 1 squared. So we can use our square binomials. X minus 1 squared is equal to x squared plus x after distributing x there. Right, what we do here, we can say x squared, get x squared, and then 2 times x times negative 1 is negative 2x, and then we say 1 squared becomes positive 1 is equal to x squared plus x. But you can do it the long way. X minus 1 squared is like x minus 1 times x minus 1, like this. Distribute x times x, x squared. X times negative 1, negative x. Negative 1 times x, negative x. Negative 1 times negative 1, positive 1. You get x squared. Negative x minus x, that is negative 2x plus 1. See that? You're getting the same thing as this. Right, let's continue from there. X squared minus x squared is 0. Then you can bring this side, becomes negative 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a linear equation. So we bring the constants to the right hand side. Becomes negative 3x is equal to negative 1. And then divide by negative 3 on both sides of the equation. X is equal to negative 1 divided by negative 3, which is like 1 over 3. So x is equal to 1 over 3. Right. And then now we need to find the sequence. We're asked to find the sequence. So t1, we put 1 over 3 there. In t2, you put 1 over 3 there. Then t3, we put 1 over 3 there. So t3 is easy. It's 1 over 3. So t1 is equal to 1 over 3 plus 1, which is 4 over 3. t2 is equal to 1 over 3 minus 1, which is negative 2 over 3. Then t3 is equal to 1 over 3. So the sequence is 4 over 3, negative 2 over 3, then 1 over 3. It goes on like that.